It's our first full day here in Orlando, and today we've got Magic Kingdom planned. But this morning, before we go to Magic Kingdom, we're going to head over to Character Warehouse at Vineland. Obviously, I love going in there. They've got some really good things there at the moment. So I'm going to check out what they've got. But we're going to go to the Vineland one, obviously, because it's closer to Magic Kingdom. So we're going to head over there and then show you the rest of today. And we'll see you over in Character Warehouse. Maybe might do a separate vlog on that. If not, we're going to see you in Magic Kingdom next.
Oh guys, look at this. First time we've ever seen this as a queue outside Character Warehouse.
It's a bit busy inside, but it's like
check inside.
12 o'clock.
It's even in there. It's only lunchtime, 12 o'clock.
We're in the Character Warehouse now. That was in really quick too. We've got these scented donuts. Smell like strawberries.
You can smell them, can't you?
Yeah, but smell that one.
Oh yeah.
It smells so good. And
it's
then
nice.
this one's a pizza. It smells like a Dole Whip. It smells like an actual Dole Whip. Smell it. It smells like pineapple.
Yeah.
And then this one's cute. Oh, that smells like vanilla.
Oh god, yeah.
$9.99 these are.
Is that chocolate?
Should be $27.99. I think so.
Yes, chocolate.
Oh, should we get one?
Yeah, I don't know which one.
Which one should we get? No, we've got these ones as well, look. Oh, that's big. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that smells so good. Should we $27.99 or $9.99?
Wow.
They should be $16.99 then. They're just for little presents, aren't they? Like little stocking fillers and stuff.
Yeah.
This one's hot and mashing. Look at this. How much would it have been? I don't even know how much it should have been. Oh, $34.99. It's $14.99.
Wow.
That's good for like Halloween. I wouldn't have it out all year round, but.
Yeah.
And then this Castaway Cay, a photo album. Should be $21.99. $4.99.
That's cool.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice for a little present, that.
Some Jack Skellington t-shirts.
All-time movie, like all the way I watch every year, no fail. Look at the size of it. I don't know if you can see how big it is. It's huge. You could feed about 3 people, that couldn't it?
Yeah, easy.
Easy. Look at it. Oh man, let's check a taste test. It looks so moist as well. Oh, I mean, look at that. Oh wow, look inside. I think it's got peanut butter and chocolate and things like that. Oh, look how nice that looks. So Halloween.
Hey!
Waiting for our fast passport, just flash mountain. Got how long we got to wait? About 20 minutes.
20 minutes wait. But just,
And then we're going to get soaked on Splash Mountain.
yeah, we're just observing to see how much water does go on you.
Yeah, because Naomi's got a white t-shirt on and a bag that's not waterproof with my gadgets and stuff in, so I hope I don't get soaked.
Yeah.
When it comes down,
Oh yeah.
so clear.
Oh shit.
Oh,
careful, ain't it? This one. Oi! I'm testing the super dry, see if it does actually work.
Got super dry for fun. Oh, that
Yeah.
tree house is well cute.
Oh yeah? Get wet.
We need this to cool down anyway. Oh, the drops down around this corner.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
My belly goes nuts.
What's up there?
Yeah.
What's it there? That's a little one. That's a little one.
That's just preparing you for the worst.
Yeah.
Maybe it's well skied.
I know.
Can I get off now?
Too late.
I
Sorry.
want to get off. So I could just hop out and hop out. Oh no, see the castle? That's nice! Woo!
Oh, your super dry didn't work.
You actually joking about
Oh.
I'm trying.
We did it, baby. We did it. Yeah.
Big kid.
No,
You had to go on this.
no, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Got lying. What are you lying
It was
for?
Naomi to watch go on it, not me.
Did I?
Yes.
Did I?
But let's go on here. Let's go on here.
Did I?
I like going on the RC.
Did I? You get a broke your nose. Ooh. Come on, are you going to tell the truth? Who wanted to go on it?
You?
Divorce? Who wanted to go on it?
Okay, it's me. Just to pass the time.
Yeah, yeah.
To our next one. Peter Pan.
Peter Pan, man. Give you. No, it's not going fast enough.
No,
Tie up though. I don't like heights.
it's not.
I'm alright then. F you.
So go around, guys. up. Yeah, chim chim chim. Oh, it's slowing down now.
Your time's up.
Oh, can I have another go? Oh, it's not fair.
Steam.
Okay. Have a nice day.
We treat it as if you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Here it goes.
We're on the ferry boat back to the car park. We're going to go to Target. We're going to go Target.
I say Target, she say Target.
Target. We're going to go to Target. Have you seen my tongue from the cupcake?
It's going now, it's fading. Check. We just come from Magic Kingdom. Oh, it's getting faster. And we're heading back to the car. Oh, there's another ferry coming past. You're waving.
We actually got a wave off them.
We got a wave, we got a wave. Get back to the car now, guys.
After Magic Kingdom we went to Target on the way home, and then after we'd been into Target we called to Chick-fil-A for something to eat. But honestly, after having that Hocus Pocus and Muck cupcake, I'm so stodged I couldn't even get my cookies and cream Chick-fil-A shake. Dad's got his though, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah, he got his, but I didn't get mine. And I actually had to bring it home. I had to run back into Main Street Bakery and ask them for a bag because the frosting and the actual cupcake is that big you could feed it for a whole family. It's huge. So I ended up getting a bag, and the rest of it is in there. Oh yeah, just let me show you this. Went to Character Warehouse this morning before Magic Kingdom, and then obviously that's my cupcake, and then we got a few bits from Target, and I got this for our little baby. How cute is this? Bark chicken treat, candy bar, chicken treat chocolate bar. So cute, can't wait to give her that when we get home. So the next vlog that you'll see will be, where will it be?
Studios.
And we're going to see Star Wars for the first time. I'm not a massive Star Wars fan.
I've got my reservation.
Daz is, I'm not, but I can appreciate the detail and the actual land, and anything that's in Florida I can enjoy and appreciate that. But I'm not actually a massive Star Wars fan. Daz is, but I'm still going to be blown away by it. I just think it's going to be incredible, and just the experience alone itself is going to be amazing, and just to see how happy Daz will be, that's everything. So yeah, the next vlog will be that, Hollywood Studios. I think that's it. We just got, oh, we've got a reservation at Olga's Cantina as well. So yeah.
Try some blue milk.
Yep, blue milk. Daz wants to try the blue milk, and I haven't got a clue what I'm gonna get, but you'll see that in the next vlog. So thanks for watching today's vlog. Make sure you give us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.